Hi, Elliot. It's kind of a close-up there. I'm taping this little guy. Uh-oh. Time to eat our hands, I guess. I think he might be getting hungry again. Let's see you from this side. My munchkin. You always just want to eat your little hands. I think they're so tasty. Elliot! Elliot! Are you there? Open sesame. Open sesame. Uh-oh. Little chipmunk cheek. Little chipmunk cheek. Cute. Say bye. Bye.